Good morning, girls. Let's begin with our new story Goldilocks and the Three Bears. This is the story of three bears. This is Father Bear. He is big and strong. This is Mother Bear. She is pretty and kind. And this is Baby Bear. He is a dear little bear. They live in the wood. Mother Bear prepares a big pot of hot milk and puts it into three bowls for breakfast. But the milk is too hot to drink. Let's go for a walk and let it cool down, says Father Bear. So the three bears leave one by one, and now their house is empty. Goldilocks is a naughty little girl. She has long curly golden hair and she lives in the wood. Goldilocks passes the three bears' house. Oh, the door is open. I want to go inside, she thinks. She knocks at the door. Nobody answers, so she walks in. Goldilocks sees the milk. I'm very hungry. I want to taste it, she thinks. Goldilocks sits down in Father Bear's chair and tastes his milk. Oh no, this is too hot, and this chair is too big. Then she sits in Mother Bear's chair and tastes her milk. Oh no, she says. This is too cold and the chair is too hard. Then she sits down in Baby Bear's little chair and tastes his milk. This is good, says Goldilocks. And this is the right chair for me. So she sits right in Baby Bear's chair and drinks his milk. But the chair breaks and Goldilocks falls on the floor. Goldilocks lies on the floor. Ouch, she cries. I need to rest for a while. She walks into the bedroom and sees Father Bear's bed. This bed is too big for me. Then she sees Mother Bear's bed. This bed is too hard for me. Then she sees Baby Bear's little bed. Oh, it's so pretty. Goldilocks puts her head on the pillow and falls asleep. The three bears come back home. They are ready to sit at the table and drink their milk. But Father Bear shouts, "What's this? Where is my milk? My bowl is empty." Mother Bear says, look at my chair. I'm sure there is somebody else here. Look at my chair. It's broken, cries Baby Bear. Look at my bowl. There is no milk in it. Father Bear walks into the bedroom. Mother Bear and Baby Bear follow him. Someone is sleeping in my bed, shouts Baby Bear. Then Baby Bear sees Goldilocks asleep in his bed. Here she is, he says. Look, a girl, shouts Father Bear. Goldilocks wakes up. She sees Father Bear. He is very angry. Goldilocks jumps out of bed and runs away in the wood. Ha ha, I'm sure she will not come back, says Father Bear.